Tepiso arrives at Levels, a 15-year-old girl pregnant with Libone's baby. Tlhoge learns that her uncle is not who she thought he is when Botsotso tells them that he is dating Lihle. Lihle learns that they didn't go to the BNB to talk. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Botsotso went to the investigator, private investigator Botsotso went to Madlomo. Yes, in Madlomo, I'm sorry to worry you, but I think Ulibone no Lihle wherever she is. She's not at Levels. Let's go to Tlhoge to find out. They get over to Tlhoge's place, and Tlhoge is like, but Malume is not here. My uncle went to a trip to a getaway with Tebogo. Botsotso is like, no, but Tebogo is at Levels. So Funu Lihle, but why would he be with Lihle? Hey, Ulihle is dating Libone. They try calling Libone. Libone is not picking up. And then Utlhoge is like, I'm so confused. What is happening? There's no way my uncle will do that. Like, Lihle is a child. Lihle Kingwana. There's no way my uncle will never do that. He's not that kind of a person. Okay, fine. If he's not that kind of a person, like, why? Where is Lihle now? But Tzotso tells them, hey, when these people are dating, but Baba Joel about Tlhoge is shocked with how I Come on, at the BNB, Lihle is starting to feel uncomfortable when she realizes they didn't go all the way to the BNB to talk. Libone keeps on trying to get close to Lihle. Lihle keeps on moving away, but you guys persisting. Even tries kissing her, saying he wants back that feeling he got when they kissed for the first time. Lihle is pulling back, but he keeps on persisting until Lihle just moves away, saying, please, let's just do activities. And suggests that they do a go-karting. And then Ulibone is frustrated. You can just see that he looks frustrated because he thought that Ulihle was going to like give in and sleep with him, but then Ulihle is not budging. And then the next thing he does is tries to kiss her again, saying, oh, and I just enjoy kissing you and all that. And Ulihle is now feeling uncomfortable, decides, let's go. Can you just do activities and go and do go-karting? He realizes Ulihle is starting to feel uncomfortable and agrees to the go-karting. When he's busy making a phone call to make the booking, Ulihle is busy like checking out the door. I think having thoughts about escaping or what, because now she's looking all scared. You can just see that her face has changed because she realizes what she came to the BNB to do is not what they're actually doing. And then at Levels, Tlhoge gets there to ask how where is Libone, because Libone is with Lihle. But he's not here. Tebogo tells them because he went on a business trip. Are Mdala Mara, you're not supposed to be with him. Are you? I was not invited. He said it's a business trip. And then do you think he went with Lihle? I don't know. Tlhoge starting to worry, saying, you know what? I'm going to call the police. But no, don't call the police yet until we find out. I try calling him, he doesn't pick up. Chigi, girl comes. Utsepiso is here. A pregnant 15-year-old child is carrying Libone's baby. Gets over there. Gets happy. Yeah. Where is Libone? Libone guy. A small, like a little girl, you can just see that she is definitely one of the students. And then Tlhoge decides, you know what, I'm going to call the police. Tebogo's like, no, please wait. You need to hear this. This is Tepiso. Tepiso ki girlfriend Libone, and she is pregnant with Libone's baby. The look on Tlhoge's face when Tebogo said this, because now it's starting to click. If this guy made this little girl pregnant and now she's with my daughter, what's happening? And then Umadlomo, they're busy saying, you know what, Tlhoge, if you're not going to help us, now I'm going to go to the police. But like, I don't believe this. There's no way. Why will my uncle do this? Lihle is a child. Lihle Kingwana, there's no way. And then Umadlomo, you know what, you're wasting my time. I'm not just gonna sit here and waste my time. But also, just take me to the police station. And then as they try to leave, Dala phones Tlhoge saying, there's something here. Tells them, hey, Tlhoge came here and now there's a girl here claiming to be Libone's girlfriend. And the weird thing is that this girl looks young, man. This girl is a baby. Like, there's no way. And in his words, and then says that it doesn't make sense because this kid is pregnant, this girl is pregnant, and she says she's 15 years old. Like, the shock on their faces when Madlomo heard that there's a 15-year-old girl. from there at levels claiming to be Libone's baby, who is claiming to be Libone's girlfriend, and the girl is 15 and she's pregnant. Tlhogo is like a girl from where? Well, when Madlome heard that the girl is pregnant, like you could just see her face, like she just went cold, because now she's thinking, oh, ingane yami, ulihle wami, uBotsotso yena, when he heard that the girl is carrying Libone's baby, you could just see him, like his face just went sour, because now he's thinking, oh my word, what is Libone doing to this child? And then Umadlo was like, you know what, Tlhogo, you better find my baby. You better tell us where your uncle is. I need to find my baby. And then Utedi goes to Semide saying, what's it, Semide, now I'm worried about you. Last time Tunzi was here, you almost died. Now there's Tiro. Are you being threatened? Are you in danger? I say, Tiro is my blood. There's nothing that's going on. Mtunzi was Mtunzi. This is Tiro. Now we're worried about you. Even though we're not just worried, we're scared. I bet this guy is a killer. And then Kiriboni comes running to Casa saying, Hori, she got a call. Apparently her mom is getting worse, so they need to rush to the hospital. Now this Bafana guy is calling the supplier, hey, when people are dying here, what you gave me, was it not just supposed to make people sick? Now people are dying. I did not sign up for this. Now I'm going to tell the truth. Aro, yeah, you're going to tell them because you're the one who did it. So now Ubutele is, if something happens, is gonna leave this Bafana guy in deep shit and not do anything about it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.